Hello everyone, I am Mr. Dr. Professor Roastenham, and welcome to the You're Not Quite As Smart As You Think channel. Today on the You're Not Quite As Smart As You Think channel, we are going to cover the yodeling monkey boy of the Swiss Alps discovered by Professor von Heinzen-Zargendargen. Yes, that is a very difficult name to say. Anyhow,
yes?
Well, I have just been informed that this is not about the Swiss yodeling monkey boy. This video, this segment, will be it will be a high school made video project covering the subject of nature in the book The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Be afraid, people. Be very afraid.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Look out! Here comes Tom! Hey Tom, what are you reading?
Hey Huck, just this book about pirates called The Pirate Book.
Interesting, what's it about?
Pirates?
Really?
Yeah. It's kind of fascinating. It says in here that, when we take people for ransom, we take them to this place and tie them all down.
What's ransom?
I don't know, you just take them to the place and hold them there and tie them down.
I think that's a little dangerous.
That's what the book says.
So we have to do what it says?
Yeah.
So what are we going to do?
Take people for ransom.
Don't you think we'll get caught?
Well, if the book says it, then, and if they didn't get caught, then nobody won't.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
I don't know.
I do.
This doesn't sound like a good idea.
I still think we should do it.
Just because the book says.
Yeah, pretty much.
We gotta row our boat so we can go to Cairo.
Yeah.
Go.
Not that fast, not that fast. Okay, so, yeah, I'm trying to escape my father so I can start a new life.
Trying to be free. Going across the
going to
Mississippi River.
Going to Cairo.
We're almost there.
Nope, slow down.
We're going on our way to Cairo.
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Oh yay, we've made it.
We have arrived. Cairo.
gosh, I can't find Huck. Where is he? I have not seen him in 37 days. It's been 37 days, 2 minutes, and 1 second. My gosh, what am I gonna do with my life? I'm going to sleep now, and maybe he'll show up in another week. Ow.
Action.
This mist comes from the middle, and I can't find Jim. My gosh, what am I gonna do? It's been 2 seconds since I've seen him, and I'm starting to worry. And I have a feeling that he might think it's 37 days and not 2 minutes, or whatever I just said. If I can just follow the path of the bamboo trees through the mist of Mysteria, maybe I'll be able to find him. Maybe I should get off of this public property.
That would be a good idea.
Now
now I shall search for Jim, and then I shall take over the world.
Yar-har, fiddle-dee-dee, being a pirate is a rat-a-tee. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
Yar-har, we be reformed pirates. We just came from the Virginia shore, and we want your money. I mean, we need your money, because we are reforming pirates, and we want to do good for all the other pirates in our ship. So, if you religious folk can give us some monies, and we can reform everybody and bring them to church, it'll be a wonderful, beautiful thing, you know. Yes, talk about it.
We'll provide you.
Yeah, we're rich. I mean, thank you for your contribution. Love you, Indians. I'll just take it out of you. Yar,
Is he a runaway slave? Yes, I am.
So, we have been forced to travel at night because our boat has been constantly been stopped, and people asking if he was a runaway slave. So this is our only type of travel, is traveling at night. So if you would kindly help us, we'd appreciate it.
What's your name, kid?
Huck.
So, got any parents? Where you come from?
I'm a runaway too.
That's interesting. You got spunk, kid. I like that. So, can we join you on this journey?
Yeah, we'd appreciate it.
Very nice. We'll go during the day and stuff. And it will be fun.
We are going to go to bed now.
You need to watch out while the sequence.
Do what he says.
Right. Okay, we'll watch out for the storm heading my way.
Blast! Wreck!
Allow me to recite Shakespeare. To be or not to be? That is the question that I am asking. Alas, poor Yorick and my pet pig Steve. Ruined Raven. Alrighty then. If you want me to be louder, I shall. Alright. What shall I say? Yes. Romeo! Romeo. Wherefore out there, Romeo? That is all, my friends. Give me all your money. Ah! You'll pay for this one day. One day.
What a story, Mark.